For years, the overhang was overlooked. Just a transition, just protection. But today, it's something more. Homeowners are rethinking the way they live, opening walls, extending ceilings, bringing the comfort of inside, outside. The porch becomes a morning retreat. The patio becomes an evening sanctuary. The space overhead becomes part of the design. Warm textures, clean architectural lines, ventilated systems that breathe, panels engineered to resist moisture, fade, and corrosion. Because when you extend your living space, performance matters. The sun will press down, storms will roll through, humidity will rise, and the materials above you must be built to endure it all, without peeling, warping, or constant maintenance. This is where architecture meets protection, where beauty meets durability. Own the overhang. Expand the way you live.